Hello everybody, Jackson here with the Wealth Squad. Today we'll be talking about a couple of stocks that have recovered very fast and by a large amount in the past week or so. So since after the close Monday, so Tuesday, the market's been on a run, recovering from the latest crash. And a lot of these growth stocks, which are inherently riskier than value, like 3M or Procter and Gamble, or stocks like that. Those stocks are more value oriented and slower growing. Well, these are growing fast and not as value oriented, more aggressive. And so when the market recovers, these stocks will recover more than the general market. And first we see Coinbase. Coinbase is a stock that's been slammed lately. You can see it's gone from the 360s down to 160, and in the past 5 days we've gone from the low 150s to 185, up 22% the past 4 days. So not a bad gain for Coinbase. Just one of the couple stocks we're looking at. Next, we're looking at Square or Block. Another stock that's been destroyed, gone from 280 to under 100 at one point. 82.50 was the lowest it's got. Past 5 days, we could see Coinbase has gone from 93 to 140, up 50% in 4 days. So we're living in a very odd time where billion-dollar companies like Square, multi-billion-dollar companies, can go up 50% in a week with no real news besides the market itself is bouncing back. It's not like they acquired something or was acquired by something. No, it's just the market bounced back, and it was hurt that badly to where a 50% jump had to occur. But look on the year chart, just the past 3 or 4 days, you could just tell, but it's still got a long ways to go to recovery. Next, we have Shopify, another stock that has gone from 1700 to 500, now back at nearly 700. We could see just in the past 5 days it's gone from 500 to almost 700, up 35%. On a company this size is a big deal. So companies like Coinbase, Square, Shopify, these companies are large and growing fast, but when the market recovers and these stocks have been slammed, they jump back faster than everything else. This is what I've been saying, as when the market dips like this, you want to buy growth stocks because those are the stocks that come back the hardest and fastest. Another one we're looking at is Roblox. This is one of Chris' favorites. We see prices on March 14th, $36. Prices now, we see 50. We're at 36% gain in a week. So we see Coinbase, Square, Shopify, Roblox up 35 to 50% a week like it's nothing. Of course, these companies have a long way to go, and they're not there just yet. But if this continues, we could see a full-on recovery. Some other noteworthy stocks, we have Facebook or Meta. Not even a significant gain compared to the others, but in terms of recovery, up 16.5% in a week is not a bad way to start the process of going back to somewhere near all-time highs. So if this continues, great. If it doesn't, great. We could buy companies at a discount for longer, load up even more. If this does continue, then we could see a quick gain on a lot of positions that we started recently. So I hope this gives you a general view of the market. We're in a frenzy buying zone. Any stock you bought within the last week should be up in terms of if it's a growth stock, especially these finance stocks like PayPal, another one. You can see just in the past couple of days a large gain, but the past year has been destroyed. It doesn't look like a large gain on the chart just because of the massive breakdown this stock had, but up 25% a week like it's nothing, and it's barely noticeable on the year chart. So a long ways to go on all these names. If we get there sooner than later, fantastic. We could cash out. If not, we could load up even more and wait for the ultimate rise to the top once again. So I hope this gives you a glimpse of what the market is looking like right now. We are in a frenzy buying zone. It's a good time to hold your shares. I wouldn't be selling too much unless you have a huge position size and you're trying to day or swing trade. Besides that, a lot of these companies are still very cheap, and it doesn't make sense to sell at these prices even after this large gain. So that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time.